Awesome, nice one, man.
I like it too.
He's off beat.
Wait.
It's alright.
Laura, can you give me some time? I got to
Go ahead.
give myself.
Gotta go sideways?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Don't go too fast.
Be the man that I know.
There you go.
To be the man that I know I am. Won't you just tell Cincinnati?
You do realize this is going to haunt you forever and ever and ever.
God damn it.
Your neighbor guy has like 2 of those stickers on his
I'm gonna show this to your wife.
I'm gonna give hers away, but I get close enough to your neighbor guy Corey that give him like 2 stickers.
When they're engaged, are you sure you want to marry?
Are you sure you want to be with this guy?
I think he's fresh and he loves himself.
Nice. I'll walk you guys out. I'll walk you guys